In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to improve your writing. Grammarly is a powerful tool that can enhance your writing by providing real-time grammar and spelling suggestions, helping you communicate more clearly and effectively. First, let's start by opening any document on your computer that you want to proofread or edit. This could be a Word document, an email draft, a Google Doc, or even a simple text file. Ensure that you have an internet connection, as Grammarly operates online to provide the most up-to-date feedback and suggestions. Once you have your document open, look for the Grammarly icon, usually located in the toolbar or as an extension in your browser if you're using an online document editor. Clicking on this icon will activate Grammarly's features, and you'll start to see suggestions appear in your text almost instantly. Grammarly scans your writing and underlines any issues it detects. It provides suggestions for corrections on things like grammar, punctuation, style, and even tone. This step makes it easy for you to identify potential improvements without having to comb through your text manually. Now, go ahead and click on the specific suggestions Grammarly offers. You'll see a detailed explanation of each suggestion, which is incredibly helpful for understanding why a change is necessary and can aid you in learning the nuances of grammar and style over time. After reviewing the suggestions, you can decide whether to accept them. When you accept a suggestion, Grammarly automatically makes the correction in your document. This feature is incredibly convenient as it streamlines the editing process, saving you time and effort while ensuring your writing is polished and professional. If there are multiple suggestions, review each one carefully and accept them if you're satisfied with the proposed changes. Remember that you don't have to accept every suggestion. Your unique writing style is important, and sometimes you may choose to keep it over Grammarly's recommendation. For a more enhanced writing experience, you can also utilize Grammarly's AI features. Clicking on the Grammarly AI option will allow you to prompt Grammarly to write for you. This is particularly useful if you're experiencing writer's block or need inspiration to get your writing started. You can provide a brief topic or instruction, and Grammarly will generate a piece of text that you can then modify and personalize to suit your needs. With each step, you'll find yourself becoming a more confident and capable writer. Remember to use Grammarly not only as a proofreading tool, but also as a learning resource to improve your writing skills over time. And there you have it. Using Grammarly to enhance your writing is simple yet incredible.